unboxing my Sanrio character Kurumi tumbler. So this is from NTU super price. Usual price niya is 79 and I got it having points of 3 points and I got it around $26 only. So let's unbox it. Aiming this one and it's so big. It's a purple color. Look at that, very nice. Kurumi Stanley. Welcome to my garden. See? And the recipe is here. And here got the straw cover inside. This one is the it's a chain here. Supposed to put like this, the chain. So let's try it. It's very sturdy. From 79 is worth it to buy. $26. Some more I use voucher, CDC voucher. So I really no need to pay for it. It's just free. This one for sippy, sip for sip, and this one for straw. I use straw inside and like that. Yay! I love it. Oh, we're gonna fix this one. The Kurumi chain. Which side I'm gonna put? Oh, this side. Like this. Yay, so cute.